subscribe. It's red at youtube.com.
But even as work gets underway, contention is brewing as one man is fuming over the size of the lot compared to other parks being constructed elsewhere in the community.
More, Mr. Omar Davis, listen what I say, and Miss Portia Simpson and the whole Jamaica. Because I can't take the local inequality thing. I see Parker Bill, I'm going to go up to Texas, so I see one big elevator park, so I come to Angola, I see a big park, so them come put park in Mexico. And I build one Lookle Sutn Suh. I don't understand, and then when I ask, why you build a Lookle Sutn, them say the money done. So why them spend half the whole of the money up there, so when it reach it for done.
This is the park that is being built in Angola. Work started there 3 weeks ago, and according to one liaison officer, persons were employed on a rotation basis to accommodate as many people as possible.
We do it by stages. They could have given some 3-day work and thing, yeah, about 10 persons.
A number of persons say they are grateful for the employment, but there are still those who have not found themselves aboard the much-touted Jeep.
We don't have no work, boy. Jeep can't hold we. That's too small, too much people. Jeep can't hold we. Them have got about 18-wheeler Jeep for 10 smarty. Because that little Jeep that can't hold nobody.
Karika McIntyre, CVM News.
The former administrator.
Subscribe. It's red at youtube.com.